Recap, we went over the first way to set state, where you simply pass in an object. We saw the second way, where the new state depends on a previous state. It's important to remember here that the previous state does not necessarily represent this dot state. If we have multiple this dot set state calls, the React inside its code is not actually updating the this.state object. It is simply computing the new state and passing it on to the next updater function, and then computing the new state and then passing it on to the next updater function, and so on. So the third way is not so much about updating the state, but reacting to a state update. So to give you an example, we can call setState with either the object or the function, it doesn't really matter. But then once the state updates, we want to do something. So an example can be that we set the state to 10, and then we want to make a request. So let's do a post request to some URL. And then we want to send this dot state dot count. We know that if we do something similar to this here or here, this dot state dot count will not have the correct state, since the state is updated asynchronously. So in the case when we want to update a state and wait for this.state to have been updated before doing some logic, we use this particular format where we set state with the object or a function, and then as a callback do the work we need to do.